gaan naar België in Gent. So watch our vlog.
Guys, into this vlog is we're going to Gent. Hey guys, at the back. Yeah. Kasama natin siya ngayon guys kasi last week nagpunta siya ng Belgium. Nagpunta siya ng Barcelona. Ayan. So we are with 3. Kompleto tayo ngayon guys. So we're going to Gent and Brugge. Brugge? Dalawang place yung pupunta natin dito sa Belgium guys. 2.5 hours drive from Netherlands. So, ano lang, magkalapit lang. It's not too far. Kaya okay lang mag-drive si Peter. Ayan, so, mag-explore tayo today. Mag-stay kami dito ng 1 night. So, we're going back to Netherlands tomorrow night. Yeah? So, mag-explore po tayo. We are almost in Gent. Yeah, how many minutes still? Maybe
20 kilometers.
Oh, maybe 20 minutes more, guys, and we are there. Yeah, we are here. Ayun na yung dalawa guys, taga-video nila ako. So we are here. Guys, ito pala yung stud house nila, munisipyo. Ayan, so this is the church. So andun yung dalawa. May waiting ata. Yeah. Cathedral pala ito guys. So we're going inside. Hello guys. Pagpapasok ka dyan, kailangan mo magbayad. So, lagi akong tinatakbo ng dalawa guys. Yes. Nag-take picture si Peter. And I like this side. Ang ganda. So, magkakape muna tayo guys. Napagod na kami. Maggala. Anyway, may ano pa doon. Hindi ko alam kung anong... What church is that? We're going there later after this one. Yeah. Diyan tayo kumain guys. Dito. Yan. So, there go. May fountain dito. And then we are going over there. Shopping ang gusto ni Kyle dito. So, andito kami sa Ralph Lauren. Tingnan natin kung makakabili ka, ha? Yeah. Yeah. May mga shorts sila. Yeah, Ralph Lauren is expensive. But you have already. Where did you buy the one you wear? Utrecht?
It's cheaper there.
There. Okay. So you buy in Utrecht. Kung ano. Kasi akala ko makakapag-base pa ako sa hotel. Pero 3 o'clock pa pala yung check-in namin. So, kung ano yung suot kong galing Netherlands, yan pa yan. Kachinelas lang ako kasi ang gusto ko yung shoes ko nasa luggage, so hindi ko na sinuot. Kaya gusto niya makapicture doon guys. So we're going to this. Kaya tignan ko mamaya guys kung ano to kasi hindi ko pa nakita yung pangalan. So we're going inside first. What is the name of this? 42? The ticket? Visit the Tower of Ticket and Shop. Guys, ng ticket going to up. Going up. Going to Belfort pala to guys. So we're going there. Ang ganda guys. So we're going up.
Have you got any tickets?
Yeah. Put the ticket. I have my ticket. Where are we gonna put the ticket? Peter. So we are here. And we are going up. Where's the way going up, Kyle? This out. So, dito tayo sa second floor. So, we're going there. Up later. Sa top. Sa top na tayo. Sa baba. Side. Yeah. So, we're here. That is the cathedral. Look at the people there. Look at Ghent. Ang ganda. I don't know exactly what is the name of this place. That one. Kasi yung bababa natin bababa.
I'm bigger than you. This one, eh? Yeah. For me.
Kung mataba ka, hindi ka pwede dito.
If you are chubby here, here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
So, baba na kami guys. Yun lang naman yung view sa taas. Yeah.
Dalawa ito ba siya? This one is really small.
Okay. I mean,
Oh shit.
ilang kampana dito guys. Nung 13-14 pa siya hanggang 1659. Ayan. Ayan kampana. And then my husband make a picture. Kyle, nauna na si Kyle guys.